about winning this competition?
Good.
Good. Is this your first time winning?
No.
Then?
Second time.
Second time. What model have you done over there for junior category?
Rubber power boat model.
Yeah. What was difficult about it?
Nothing was difficult about it.
So everything was easy over there? Yeah, really? All right then. Thank you. Hi, what's your name and where are you from?
My name is Raveer Singh. I'm from Lotus Valley International School, Noida, and I live in Delhi.
Okay, so what model have you done today?
So I did the
We
boat
moved to
model.
the intermediate
In
category.
which we had 3 questions, and we had to answer those questions by building different types of.
One of the runners
So
up,
what were the 3 questions that were asked for you?
Tejaswini
First question
Tyagarajan
was that
from
we had to
Awal Public
put
School,
lighter than the
Patiti in
original.
Mumbai.
So I replaced the metal skewers. We used some metal skewers.
Okay.
I replaced them for wood skewers. There were 2 metal skewers. So I replaced them
All the
both
children
for
from the junior
wood
category
ones.
were
So,
grade
made
4
it
children.
Lighter,
and,
yeah.
They
How do you
received,
feel about
apart
winning?
from
Is this your
the
first time
certificate
here?
and a cash
Yeah,
prize
this is
and
my
the
first time here in Ramanathan.
trophies, they
Thank
also
you.
get
So what's your name and where are you from?
My name is Nakshat Nilesh Sonone and I'm from Pune.
So yesterday, what model have you done to get the prize?
I have done the boat model and I have used that magnet one, big one, and I attached it to fans.
You attached 2 fans. That's why it was
Yes.
faster.
It was faster and 2 meters.
Okay. What was the most difficult thing that you found while building the boat model?
Ma'am, I don't think that I've found difficult thing, but that the rubbers were so tight. That's why that stick was not going
Okay,
in.
so
but
that
it
was the only tricky thing, except that
Yes.
everything was easy. How do you feel about winning now? Did you expect that you'd get a prize?
Yes.
You did? Okay, that's
Yes.
nice. Is it your first time coming here?
Yes, it is first time.
Yeah. So you have got, you're the runner-up in the intermediate section.
Second runner-up, the
Yeah.
third place.
So what's your name and where are you from?
My name is Tejaswini Tyagarajan. I'm representing Mumbai Pawar Public Schools.
Okay, so what model have you done yesterday?
Yesterday I made a thermos. So I used
used
materials like aluminium foil, thermocol balls, and bubble wrap. And we had to see that which one could retain the warmth for the longest time. So I had made some mistakes, but I was able to identify the mistakes I made, and I was speaking to the judges about how I went wrong, and then how I could have replaced the materials.
Yeah. So how do you feel about participating here in
It
Ramana?
was really fun. I never had an experience like this. I've never been to a national competition before. This is my first one. This is my first time participating in Raman Awards and absolutely enjoyed it.
Yeah, congratulations. You're also the runner-up of intermediate, right? What's your name? Where are you?
Duty. I'm Duty Malla from Ravi Shankar Vidya Mandir, Bangalore North. I'm from here itself.
Oh, you're from Bangalore itself.
Yeah.
So how did you hear about this competition, Ramana Award?
One of my teachers who's very passionate about science told me about it. So she told me I need to participate into this thing. So I just thought I'll give it a shot.
You did the thermos model yesterday, right?
Yes.
How did you feel about it? What was the trickiest part about that model?
It was very nice. The problem number 1 was very easy because it was like the materials provided were insulators. But the problem number 2 was hard because where to choose any like very least materials. So that was a little hard for me.
Okay, so if you had more materials, it would have been easier for you.
No, we had materials, but we had to choose like very least materials, very less
A
materials.
number of materials.
Yes.
So what's your name and where are you from?
I'm Prisha Date. I'm in 7th standard
Okay.
and I'm from DSK School, Pune.
Okay, you're the winner in the intermediate competition,
Yes,
right?
yeah.
You had to make the thermos model
Yes,
yesterday.
thermos insulation.
Thermos insulation. What was the most difficult thing that you found about that model?
Doing it in time and also thinking about alternatives and waiting for each thing to test and come because we had to wait for 30 minutes whole. So yeah, that was the toughest part.
What was the easiest part about that?
The interview, the judges made it so easy and comfortable for us that we actually had to just it was just an interaction rather than seeing it as an interview, I would say.
So is this your first time coming here?
No, actually, since 5 times I'm participating, like
nice.
since juniors, 3rd standard. Yeah.
So you did expect a prize, or was it
Uh,
surprising for you?
It was surprising for me because I didn't know what we don't know the model or anything before, and it's just also surprising to get directly the winner and all that.
Yeah.
So it was exciting for me.
Yeah. Congratulations. by the
Thank
way.
you so much.
Thank you. What's your name and where are you from?
I'm Sharvind Bhatt from DSK School, Pune.
Okay, you're the second runner-up in the senior category, right?
Yes.
What model did you have to do?
It was about electroplating, which is basically taking one metal and putting it on another metal with the use of electricity.
Okay, so what was the hardest part about that?
I think the hardest part was making sure that it wouldn't corrode, like
When you rub
when
it.
I rubbed it, it would come off or it would become too black if I kept it in the solution for a longer time.
Okay, so and then what was the easiest thing about that?
Most of it was easy, but I guess first question it was easy because all we had to do
What
was
was the first question?
I'm telling you. All we had to do was take a paper clip and we had to make sure that it would come out with a clean and shiny look with the copper coating.
Okay, so did you expect a prize here?
Not at all.
How was your experience being
It
here?
was a great experience. I've been coming here for 5 years. This is my 5th time now, I think.
Okay, yeah. Congratulations again.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. What's your name? Where are you from?
I'm Madhura SS. I'm from Vidyashilp Academy, Bangalore.
You are the runner-up in the senior category,
Yes.
right? What model did you prepare yesterday?
We have electroplating
Electroplating.
model, and there were 3 problem statements.
Okay, so what was the hardest problem out of all the 3?
I think using limited resources and limited time, being able to solve all problem statements.
So did you expect a prize yesterday?
Maybe, yes,
You did?
sort of.
That's nice. And then how was your experience being here?
It was nice coming again. It was very
Coming
nice.
again, so you've been
My
here.
6th time.
Oh, 6th time. Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, congratulations
Thank you.
by the way. Thank you. What's your name? Where are you from?
I'm from Trivandrum, Kerala. My name is Juwan Kim.
Okay, so you are the winner of the senior category.
Yeah, I am the winner of the senior
You
category.
had to do the electroplating model yesterday.
Yes, I
what
need to
was
do.
the difficult part in that?
Most difficult part was the second question. I should need to make the spiral shape of the plating.
The spiral shape of
yeah.
the plating.
And also, I don't know much about the electroplating. That was the most hardest thing I faced. And also, English problem. I'm not that good at speaking in English and talk. I'm not the talkative person.
Yeah, but still you're pretty
Yeah.
good enough, yeah. And what was the easiest thing about
Easiest thing was the first question, like to just plate with the copper. That was the most easiest, I think.
You've been here before, right? To run
Last time I didn't get the award, but this time I'm so happy with getting
the first prize. How do you feel about it?
I feel I'm very proud of myself, and I'm very thanks to my
No.
parents,
Yeah.
the support.
All right then. Congratulations again.
Thanks.
Yeah, thank you.